Going viral this morning, and not a giraffe. A South Carolina mom is trying to find her 1.5-year-old son's name twin. Jeannie Nichols believes a little boy or girl here in Florida has the same name as her son and the same birth date. So she's using Facebook, of course, to try and find the parents. It all started with a pharmacy mix-up and some mail from places sent in Florida.
So to me, Jude Nichols looks like this. And so it's just interesting to see what does the other Jude Nichols look like. You know, have they had any mix-ups? Have they experienced anything like we have in relation to him?
If you'd like to help this mom, we have all of the information on our website, abcactionnews.com.